Hey y'all, ever checked your CCTV footage and realized, uh-oh, no sound? Trust me, you're not alone. So today I'm walking you through how to fix CCTV audio that's not recording, step by step. Grab a coffee, let's get to it. First up, let's talk about what could be going wrong. Most of the time, it's super simple. A microphone's not plugged in, it's missing power, or the settings are just off. So before you go buying new gear, let's do some troubleshooting. Step 1. Check your physical microphone connection. Head over to your camera, the one with audio issues, and look for the mic. If it's external, make sure it's plugged into the audio input. That might be an RCA or a little 3.5mm jack on your camera or right on the DVR NVR. Got an active mic? Make sure it's got power, usually 12 volts, maybe 5. If your camera's got a mic built in, you can skip this bit. Step 2. Enable the microphone in your camera's web interface, especially if it's an IP camera. Fire up a browser, punch in the camera's IP address, and log in. Find the audio settings, usually under Settings, then Audio. Make sure audio is enabled and double-check you've picked the right input, line in or mic in. Save that and give your camera a quick reboot. Step 3. Configure your DVR or NVR's audio channel. Hook up a monitor and mouse to your DVR or log in from your computer. From the main menu, find Camera, then Encode Settings. Go through each channel, check Audio Enable, and pick an audio compression type your system supports, like G.711A or AAC. Don't forget to save. Step 4. Assign audio to the right video channel. Still in your menu, look for Channel Settings. Find where it says Audio Input, Channel Mapping, or Audio In Assign. Link your audio input, say Audio in 1, to the right camera, like Camera 1. Save again. Step 5. Check Live View and Playback. Switch over to Live View on your DVR or NVR. Right-click, and look for the speaker icon to enable audio. Now, talk near your mic. Do you see the levels bounce or hear anything? Also, check a recorded clip. Does it have sound? Step 6. Test with an external speaker or a PC. Still no luck? Export a recorded clip onto a USB flash drive. Pop it into your computer and play it with VLC. If you hear sound there, your camera's recording just fine. The issue's likely in your DVR's output, not the recording itself. Now for a few bonus checks. Try swapping in another mic or switching ports. Update your firmware if it's been a while. And if you're watching footage on your phone app, double-check it's not muted or set to silent. One last heads up. Some DVRs or NVRs only let you have audio on channel 1 or just a few channels, so check your manual if things still aren't working. Alright, that's it. Quick and easy fixes to get your CCTV audio recording again. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more home security tips. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, stay safe, y'all.